Hello everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to make a brochure in Canva from start to finish. Brochures are an excellent way to share information, whether you're promoting a business, advertising an event, or simply creating something creative for school or personal use. Canva makes the entire process very beginner-friendly, and I'll explain every step in detail so you can follow along. First, log in to your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, you can create it for free using your email, Google, or Facebook. Once you're inside, go to the search bar at the top and type brochure. Canva will show you different formats like bifold brochures, which have 2 panels, and trifold brochures, which have 3 panels. Pick whichever design works best for your project. For this tutorial, let's go with a trifold since it's the most common format for businesses and events. After selecting a template, Canva opens it in the editor. Here you'll see sample text and placeholder images. The first step is customizing the text. Double-click on the sample titles and type in your own. For example, if you're making a brochure for a travel agency, you could replace the headline with something like "Explore the World with Us." You can then edit the subheadings to include your packages, contact details, or special offers. Canva lets you change the font style, size, and color with just a few clicks. Choose fonts that are easy to read and keep the text balanced across all sections. Remember, brochures should be informative but not overloaded with too much text. Next comes adding images. A brochure without visuals looks plain, so this step is important. Canva allows you to upload your own photos, which is perfect if you're showing products, your team, or event pictures. But if you don't have images handy, you can use Canva's built-in photo library. They offer thousands of free and premium photos, plus illustrations and icons. Just drag and drop an image into a placeholder or position it wherever you want on the brochure. Adjust the size, crop, and filters to make sure the visuals match your theme. Now let's talk about layout and design. Canva gives you full control to change colors, backgrounds, and elements. If your business has brand colors, you can apply them by using Canva's color picker. You can also add shapes, dividers, and icons to make the brochure more engaging. For example, if you're creating a restaurant menu brochure, you could add food icons, separators for sections, and a nice color scheme that matches your restaurant's vibe. Don't be afraid to experiment, but always keep your design clean and readable. Another useful feature is Canva's alignment guides. As you drag text boxes and images around, you'll see pink lines that help you align everything perfectly. This ensures your brochure looks neat and professional. It's also a good idea to zoom out and look at the entire design as a whole, so you can check if the sections flow well together. Once your brochure is ready, the last step is downloading or printing it. Click the Share or Download button in the top right corner. Canva lets you save it as a PDF, which is ideal for printing, or as an image file if you want to share it online. If you don't have access to a printer, you can even order professional prints directly from Canva, and they'll deliver them to your doorstep. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you've created a fully customized brochure using Canva. You started with a template, replaced the text, added images, adjusted colors and design elements, and then saved it for print or online use. Whether it's for business, school, or personal projects, Canva makes brochure design quick, easy, and accessible to everyone. Subscribe the channel for more videos.